Hello, everyone. This is Valentin De Leeuw speaking, Vice President at ARC. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the Digital Transformation Council and to talk about how it can make a difference for you and your organization. Now, before looking into the Digital Transformation Council, I'd briefly like to speak about ARC. We are a technology strategy consultancy founded in 1986. We are active in the domains of manufacturing, infrastructure, and cities. We focus on operations technologies, engineering technologies, industrial Internet of Things, and IT associated with activities in those domains. And we are present in many parts of the world. A few years ago, we were approached by our user clients who asked us if there would be a possibility to create a space for them to discuss among each other in a safe manner. And so we founded the Digital Transformation Council exactly to do this, to have these conversations between users across sectors to talk about digital transformation. More specifically, we want to enable the industry, the energy, the public sector professionals to stay on top of emerging technologies and business trends. And we want to give them the opportunity to learn from each other on the journeys they have undertaken, and also give them the opportunity to leverage trends and technologies to achieve transformational growth. That means achieving real significant results for your organizations. And it's not just another place to talk about disruptive technologies and emerging trends. The difference is that you influence the information that we research and we present to you. And so it's your emerging trends and it is the disruptive technologies that you are specifically interested in. And you do this within your peer group, people within similar positions with similar tasks and objectives. You'll be able to learn from them what works, what may work a little bit less, and weigh pros and cons to see if these options or approaches may make sense for you and your organization in order to get this transformational growth. One of the ways we do this is by organizing Council Chronicles, that is, users sharing case studies of their own work with other users. As said, you can share with your peer community, you can hear about the latest thinking from thought leaders, not only us, but also your colleagues. You can help setting the council direction, so you can really influence what we do and influence the ARC research. You can participate in regular trending topic webinars, in-person meetings, both regionally and worldwide. And we have the council library where we deposit research documents, research results, analyses of surveys that we do. You can freely access those. On top of that, you can exchange ideas with our ARC analysts, specialists in these domains. To be very precise, we define the eligibility for membership as follows. The Digital Transformation Council is open to individuals in organizations that are users of software, hardware, and process automation systems in manufacturing, infrastructure, and city sectors. And we review any membership request very carefully to make sure that only eligible members are accepted. In case of a doubt, we discuss the membership request in the steering committee, which is composed of ARC people, but also end users. In any case, the digital transformation is not open to individuals and companies who are suppliers or who are members of the media. And of course, if you change jobs, then that may put at risk your membership if you move to a supplier or media function. The next upcoming opportunity to meet for you with your peers is at the annual meeting of the Digital Transformation Council that is taking place just before the ARC Industry Forum in Orlando, and it will take place on February 3rd, 2020 from 2 to 6 p.m. And again, you will have all opportunity to hear about user stories, share ideas, and collaborate with other council members. So in summary, why would you join the Digital Transformation Council? To expand your digital peer group, to listen to the Council Chronicles, the real-world transformation stories, narrative-rich information, to find out what works and what does not work at other companies, to discuss with your peer group what may work for you and what not, to decide which research you would have to, which research you need for your work, and which are the priorities you would set, to participate in the online, the regional and global in-person meetings, and to benefit from the ARC research selected by the Council. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope to see you very soon in the Digital Transformation Council.